Hi, and welcome to Smart Wheel Life. Here we'll talk about convenient home automation. And today we will do a product review of my robot vacuum called Neato Botvac Connected. It's basically, it's an older model actually. They have newer models, but I have a little bit older model it's out of sale now, but I have used it for quite a while, and I think the new product is just as good as this one, if not better. And I'm very happy with it. That's why I want to review it. What I also want to show you guys how I use my robot vacuum in my home automation, in my homey. So please check it out. First of all, I will show you the product. This is my robot vacuum. You can see it, guys. I've had it for some couple of years now. I think I bought it 2016, 2017, so a little bit older. This is an older model. There's new models out right now. Basically, this one cleans quite good, and the best thing about Neato's product is that they always find their way home to this docking station here that is you actually connected to your outlet, and it goes there for charging and so on, and it cleans my entire home quite well. You basically just empty it here, which I haven't done. So let's start the cleaning process on my robot vacuum using the Alexa. Alexa, turn on Dumbo.
Okay.
And there you go, it started. What I like most about Neato is that it is very good at finding its way back home. It almost finds its way back home. Sometimes it gets stuck somewhere, but usually gets out of those situations. But sometimes, since I have kids at home, there's toys all over, so sometimes it gets stuck and so on. But it always finds its way back home if it's not stuck. So that is very impressive actually, and it gets clean, very clean, and so on. But it's very loud. It's like a like a jumbo jet engine. Let me show you guys how you can use your Neato device in your homey. First, I would like to just show you guys on their Neato site. This is all the new products that I have currently, and my is one of the clearance models. It's this one I have right here. Botvac Connected, this one, which has a display that is they have removed that one. So yeah, let's go into the homey. Let's check out how I have done with my robot vacuum. I have named my vacuum Dumbo. It's a bit of a joke basically. Here are my flows. Let's go into the bedroom, because here it's where I have my Dumbo. Here I have all the statuses of it and all the battery charging level. It's not entirely charged now, and you can see you can change this statuses here to start it manually using the homey app. How to set it up? You need to download the Neato app, and you need to add it like this, Neato Botvac, and you need to add it. And you need to log into your Neato account here. And if you just log in here with your Neato account, you can simply add it to your homey. And once it's connected, you will get a box like this one, and you can use that in your flows. I have done a lot of things with the homey. I have the Dumbo status, for example, at 10 o'clock each night. If it's not docked and it's the charging level is below 50%, me and my wife get a notification that something is wrong. It's probably stuck somewhere, or done something wrong. So we will get alerted if something is not as it used to be. I also have flows for notifying me when it's done, and so on. So I also have some flows for reminding me, but they're actually not connected to them. It's more of a reminder. What I have done, I have added this to the my Alexa app. So once when I created this virtual device turned on, it basically enables it to be added to the Alexa. Yes, that was it for showing you guys my cleaning device. I must say I really like this product. It helps me a lot, and when I have kids and you don't have time for cleaning and you just want to come home to a clean home, you need to do some manual moving away things and so on before, but it's really, really nice to have when you have small kids at home and have to work and so on. So if you like this video, please leave it a like. If you want more weekly content like this one, please consider to subscribe. Thank you.